minus 2p upon p minus y to the power y minus 1 plus 1 upon p minus y to the power y minus 2 यो क्वेसन छ। अब यसको सोलुसन गर्दा सबभन्दा पहिला यहाँनिर यो डिनोमिनेटरहरुमा p minus y to the power y minus 1 अनि p minus y to the power y minus 2 यो ठाउँमा हामी के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भने यसको त्यो इन्डेक्सको रुल लगाउनु पर्यो। कुन रुल लगाउने? a to the power m minus n भयो भने यसलाई ब्रेक गरेर यो m र n लाई ब्रेक गरेर लेख्दा के हुन्थ्यो? a to the power m upon a to the power n यही हैन? यही रुल यसमा र यसमा एप्लाई गर्ने सबभन्दा फर्स्ट स्टेप। Okay, someone has incurred a vina. Equal to, keep the first fraction same, p minus y to the power y to p upon, when you break this term using this rule, what will happen? p minus y to the power y, p minus y is taken as the base. You याद रखना, p minus y is base, y minus 1 is its power. Same like a base m minus n power भए जस्तै p minus y ले यो a base जस्तो काम गर्यो, यसरी सोच्ने हैन। a भनेको p minus y भयो, यसरी सोच्ने। So a to the power m भएर यसलाई a to the power m पोजिटिभ पावर भएको माथि बस्यो, नेगेटिभ पावर भएको तल गयो, है भने जस्तै y has positive power, so p minus y to the power y will be up in numerator upon p minus y to the power 1 goes down. p minus y to the power 1. 1 is not necessary to write. If you don't like to write, it is not necessary. Plus, use same rule here also. 1 upon p minus y to the power y will remain in numerator upon p minus y to the power 2 goes down. Same as this. We applied this rule in these two places. Understood this step, everybody? Hello there, Asila.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone understood? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ल अब के गर्ने होला त? What are you thinking? Devans, can you say what are you thinking? What will you do? Next step. अब के गर्ने होला? Can you give me some idea that you are thinking?
Yes, sir.
देवांशकोमा हल्ला रहेछ है। ल अब मै भन्दैछु। In this place, in this second term and third term, there are three steps in fraction. Right? A upon B upon C. यो टाइपको three steps मा कुनै पनि फ्र्याक्सन छ भने यसलाई मैले दुई तरिकाले यो C लाई चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ A तिर मल्टिप्लाई हुन्छ, कहिले B तिर मल्टिप्लाई हुन्छ भनेर धेरैचोटि डिस्कसन छ है अब चाहिँ। हो, that depends upon what? If the main upon is here, then we understand A is divided by a fraction B upon C. Then this becomes A into C upon B. Isn't it? But if that equal to sign is after this fraction A upon B, then we understand A upon B fraction is divided by C. In this case, A upon B remains same multiplied by reciprocal of c will be 1 upon c. यस्तो हैन यो केस। ल अब बताऊ त यहाँको यो दुईटा मध्ये कुन चाहिँ फर्स्ट अर सेकेन्ड? फर्स्ट केस, सेकेन्ड केस। So which case is here between these two? यो दुईटा मध्ये कुन चाहिँ केस यसमा मिल्छ ल भन, फर्स्ट कि सेकेन्ड? Anyone of you speak?
First case.
First case, yes. Do everybody think same? I want to ask Ruchit. Ruchit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you also think this first case is present here? First case is same as this? Cannot say? Now I want to ask to Kusum. Kusum,
Yes, sir.
which case do you think is same as this case between these two, first and second?
First case.
First case, yes. धेरैलाई त्यही लाग्यो हो। यदि अरूले कसैले बुझेको छैन भने म भन्छु, yes, these two fractions are same as this first case because equal to is here. Here is equal to, or you can say 2p को पछाडीको लाइन चाहिँ मेन फ्र्याक्सन को लाइन हो। यो 2p को पछाडीको लाइन, यो फ्र्याक्सन त हामीले पछि यसबाट बनाएको हो। ओके, so 2p is divided by this fraction. So this case is same to this. त्यसो भए जसरी यो c चाहिँ माथि a मा मल्टिप्लाई हुन्थ्यो, a into c भएको थियो, त्यसै गरी यहाँनिर पनि अब के हुने भयो, 2p into p minus y to the power 1, isn't it? p square upon p minus y to the power y minus p into p minus y to the power 1. I am not writing that 1 power now. Upon p minus y to the power y plus, now this p minus y to the power 2 goes to multiply with 1. 1 into this, no need to write 1. So you can directly write p minus y whole square upon p minus y to the power y. Does anyone have any confusion in this step? यो स्टेप मा केही कन्फ्युजन छ कसैलाई? छ भने सोध। If you do not speak, I think that you have understood. Okay. Has come, let me admit. Okay. Does anyone have any question in these two steps? No. Okay. Now look at the denominator of every fraction. Look at the denominator. सबैको denominator मा हेर त, p minus y to the power y, p minus y to the power y, p minus y to the power y. Denominator is same. Now write down p minus y to the power y is LCM. Draw a long line. p minus y to the power y. This is the LCM. यो LCM भयो. Now, if the denominator and LCM is same, then it is not necessary to multiply anything with numerator. सबैलाई थाहा छ हैन? यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर मा जे छ, LCM पनि सेम छ भने माथि एक्चुअली 1 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने हो के? 1 when you multiply with any term, you will get same. So you can get p square same minus 2p bracket p minus y also same. Similarly, plus p minus y whole square also same. Look at this. Do you have any confusion in this step now? at the numerator of this fraction. Can you see any formula there? Try to compare this numerator of the fraction with a formula. You will find a formula there. Which formula can be found there? Think now. Achila,
Yes, sir.
you find any formula?
Yes, sir.
You say yes or no? Say loudly.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
can you
sir.
tell which formula is there?
A minus B whole square.
A minus b whole square. So what is A?
A P.
A is b. And what is b?
P minus Y.
Yes, you are right. So if you see this p is A and p minus y is b, then you will find a square minus 2ab plus b square here. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A p is A and p minus y is b. है ना? देखे सबैले? So I am going to use this formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this is a minus b whole square, isn't it? A square minus 2ab plus b square gives a minus b whole square. जैसे कि a minus b whole square हुन्छ, यहाँ चाहिँ के हुने भयो? p minus b is p minus y in bracket. यसरी लेख्नु पर्ने भयो, है? A minus b whole square, b minus y to the power y. Do you understand this? यदि तिमीले यहाँ फर्मुला देखेनौ भने यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेर यसमा a minus b whole square फर्मुला एक्सपान्ड गरे पनि हुन्छ। त्यसरी पनि गर्न मिल्छ, है? यो 2p ले यहाँ p minus y मा मल्टिप्लाई गर्दिने अनि p minus y whole square लाई a minus b whole square चाहिँ एक्सपान्ड गर्दिने, a square minus 2ab